This is a piano tutorial for the song Belle Notte, which means this is the night. And if you're my age, you remember this song from Lady and the Tramp, and it's just a cute song. Very easy one, I think, to learn for a beginner. It's in the key of G, so not a lot of black keys. There are a couple of chords that are a little bit more complicated, but I'll show you what they are. And I think you'll have fun with this song. I'll show you the melody first in the right hand. You start with your fifth finger on a B. And at that point, you got your second finger on F sharp, and you got to get your fifth finger on that A note. So you can get down to the low note there on D. And you start with your fifth finger on this A. And that gets you through that phrase. You got your thumb on D and go up an octave to that D with your fifth finger. That gets you through that phrase. Your thumb goes down to E. Then you got to lift up your wrist and put your third finger on that A sharp there. Fourth finger on B. Second finger over on F sharp and your thumb under on G there. There's your A sharp. So the fingering isn't really that tricky. A couple of things to watch out for, but not a lot. I'll show you the chords for the left hand then. You start with a G chord, which is going to be D, G, and B like that. And I'm going to play two chords per measure. And then you've got a B flat diminished seventh chord, which is a little bit tricky. And this is it. It's E, G, B flat, and D flat. Your fifth finger's on A there. That's an A minor. Actually, that's an A minor seventh, which is E, G, A, and C there. And that resolves to this D7 chord, D, F sharp, A, and C. There's the A minor seventh again, E, G, A, C. Goes back to D7, D, F sharp, A, C. A minor 7 again. D7 again, and G. D, G, and B. There's a D minor chord, D, F, and A. There's a C chord, C, E, G. A G7 sharp 5, okay, but it's kind of cool if you add that note. So it's F, G, B, and D sharp right there, and then a C chord, E, G, and C like that. which is actually A7, E, G, A, and C sharp. E minor, E, G, and B. There's that A7 again. There's A minor 7th, E, G, A, and C. D7, we've used that a lot. D, F sharp, A, C. A minor again. And then this is kind of a funky one here. It's a D7 sharp 5. Let's see what that is. I think that's, hold on a second here. Let's see. It's got an A sharp, F sharp, E flat, and C. So it's a little funky there, but it's a D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, and C, which is going to resolve to this G. So it's like that. There's a G chord, D, G, and B. B minor, which is, let's see, actually B minor flat 5, which is F, A, B, and D. Which is kind of cool. Here's your E7, E, G sharp, B, and D. There's an A minor 7 again, E, G, A, C. There's a D7 flat 9, which is D sharp, F sharp, A, and C. Back to a G chord. Through a little, maybe I'll call this an intermediate song, but I like to throw those chords in there. So work on it hands alone, and this is what it sounds like when you're all done.